Hello, my name is SAI GAYATRI. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering from Stanley College of Engineering and Technology for Women in the year 2024. I have joined Jspiders in the month of October, and I have taken Java Full Stack Development course. I will start Web Technology by Geeta ma'am, Java by Kaushik sir, Manjunath sir and Pavan sir, SQL by Raven sir, React by Shiva sir. And so far I have given 2 interviews. Both are for test yantra. One interview I have attended in online mode, another interview I have attended in offline mode. In my online mode interview, I got rejected in second round, but in offline mode interview there were 2 rounds. First round was DD round, second round is HR and technical round. I got selected in both these rounds. The thing which helped me to crack this interview is grooming sessions, presentations. My mentors have given all the suggestions how to prepare and how to perform, so that which has boosted my confidence levels.